Well, hello everybody and welcome back to Jenny's, aka the Crazy Country Couponer. And it's time for a new ad, new sales, new deals, new glitches, and saving lots of money. And you know you want to know. So come on in, we're about to go through the sales ad and find us some hot deals. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, now's the time you're here. Look below and hit that subscription button. Yep, and that notification bell. No time like the present. And that way you won't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or our awesome information that we have here every day. Just remember, my videos run like a soap opera. We gather all that information and we spread it out through the week. And by Saturday, we got enough information to make some awesome scenarios. So make sure you watch all the videos. And to make sure you don't miss any of them. And that you get your notifications. Make sure you hit all on those notifications. And make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much, everybody. And if I haven't said how much I love you lately, I do. And please don't forget to leave me a comment and an emoji. Alright, everybody. Like I said, it's time to go through the Dollar General ad. And we've got some really good deals. And look what's back, guys. My favorite thing is back. And we've got a $2 digital coupon to go with it. So, we've got the Coke deal. This is some awesome savings every single time this comes around, because these things are now $7.95 a 12-pack. Yeah, quite a jump from less than 20 months ago. So, 3 of these is 15. 6 is 30. You're going to get $7 off of that transaction. And your total savings is going to be like $21 because you're going to be getting 2 12-packs for free. Now, we've got an awesome deal also on the Pepsi and Mountain Dew products right now. Now, before I proceed on with the Coke, somebody told me that this was not supposed to go on sale again for a couple more weeks after this. Not until almost February. So if you are a Coke drinker, we need to be stocking up this week. Just in case, guys. You know, we girls, we got to gossip. We got to pass this stuff along. Now, we have got this Pepsi deal, like I said. And then we have got the Dunkin' Donuts coffee on sale again for $6.50. And that is 10 count. Current cups, and then the pound of coffee. Now, the pound of coffee is normally $10, so this is an awesome savings all by itself. But you also have a $2 digital, and you have $1 off when you buy 2. Both are manufactured coupons. But what that does, though, is allow us to make a halfway decent 5 off 25 scenario. Because these are things that we know are going to go up in price, okay? They're not going to go down before the winter's out. So if you want to stock up on the Dunkin' Donuts coffee while it's on sale, because like I said, it's a $3.50 savings just by itself. You could pick up, 3 of these. You're going to be at $19.50. $19.50 on 3 of these. So I'll come up with you a scenario on the coffee so we can get it even cheaper. Now, we also have the 2 for $6 on the General Mills, and we've got a $1 coupon off on that, guys. We've got the BOGO buy 1 Comfort Bay and get 1 50% off, and it does include the $5 throws. Now, we also have another one of those deal day sales from the 14th to the 16th, but I do want to touch on this, but we will have another video. And I'm showing you this because I don't want you to use your coupons yet. Buy 1, get 1 free, okay? buy one and get one free. Now these are on sale. It says regularly $2, but they're on sale. So I don't know if you'll get the sale price or if you will pay the $2 price. More than likely the $2 price. Okay? And you'll get one free. Now we also have a coupon, $1 off of 3 of these. So buy one, and I think there's an earn on these. I'll check and see. But I know there's a $1 off coupon on these. And these are on sale for $1.75. So pick up 1, 2, 3. You're going to get your $1 off. And then you'll pay your $2. So for $4, you're going to get 4 items. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yes. But that is only on those sale days, okay? Now, we also have the buy 2, get 1 free on the holiday Reese's. These little packs right here. But that $3 off coupon should work on those. That 3 off of 10. The soda deals this week is better than last week. If you like RC Cola, you got 3 for $11. And that's cans and bottles. You got 3 for $4 on the Dr. Pepper and A&W root beer, 2 liters, guys. That's a deal. 2 for $3.50 on your Pepsi and Mountain Dew, 2 liters. And 3 for $15 on your Mountain Dew and Pepsi 12 packs with a $2 coupon off. The same for the Crush, the Lemon Brisk, and the Mug Root Beer, another $2 off. And the other thing is, guys, you have earns on the canned Mountain Dew, on the bottle Mountain Dew. You have earns. And as we all know, if you've got one coupon that covers multiple items, the earns only see that one coupon. So these are going to glitch and give you earns and your coupon. So if you drink Mountain Dew and Pepsi, check those earns out. Make sure you clip those earns before you do the deal. We've got some really good food deals also this week, so don't spend all your funds on Christmas. We might have to put some stuff in our cupboard. I know. You know the bad thing about Christmas shopping is you always find stuff that you would like to have for yourself during the Christmas holidays, and you don't get to get it because you're spending your money somewhere else. Well, nowadays, we're going to be doing that on our food items. This is like a present to ourselves. But look, the cake mix is on sale, 2 for $3, okay? But your coupon is you have to buy 3. We'll explore that deal a little bit more and see how cheap we can get it. Most of the time, any of the deals that I'm showing you that I think are the hottest things is the ones that we'll be doing our scenarios with. And as you can see, we got lots of coffee actually on sale for $6.95. Folgers is on sale for $3.95. And you've got a 75-cent coupon, I believe, still good on that. The Maxwell House, you've got, it's $8.50 with a $1 coupon off. I mean, even the Clover Valley is $4. So this might be coffee stock up. Oh, and just so you know, I think the Scott deal, the instant savings on Scott is still going. Oh, it looks like we've got some gift sets. Instant savings on hair bows. Vintage home hair bows. Looks like we've got $1 or a $2.50 on St. Ives gift sets. I haven't seen that one. Maybe it'll post tonight. And of course, we've got that $4 off on 2 and $2 off on 1 on these Dove and Axe gift sets. Now, if you want to do these, you want to do these with a scenario Okay, get both of them, you're at $20. You'll need something else for $5, maybe some razors or something like that. We'll find you something cheap, and that way you will get at least $9 off on that. Maybe a little bit more on that transaction. Looks like we have one for Caress as well, and again, I've not seen that digital for the Caress. I know we have $2 on Hanes underwear and socks, guys. So grandma's out there. Save $2 when you spend $12 on Hanes. And then you got a sale 3 for $10. So you can pick up, oh, check this out. Pick up 6 t-shirts. You're at $20 on 6 t-shirts. And of course you're going to get your $2 off. And then, oh, then we could get something super cheap. Yeah. Let me think about that, because I've got a couple of awesome fillers, and I'm going to tell you about them. Now, we've also got Energizer sale. We got a couple of Energizer coupons, and we have an instant savings when you buy 3. $4.50 instant saving when you buy 3. And it is 3 of the 8 packs. And then you have some manufacturer coupons for that as well. And then, of course, you can use that in a 5 off 25 scenario. And I was right. The Scott Instant Savings is still going on. And it's a 3 off of 15. Not a whole lot for the pets this week, but we still have all those pet food coupons that we can be utilizing. $3.50 on the Airwick starter kits, regularly $4.25. Huh. Maybe our coupons will work with that? Maybe, maybe not. And of course, we got $3.75 on the Snuggle and All, and we got a $1.25 coupon, making that $2.50. Okay, real quick, for scenario of the week, it's the Dunkin' Donuts coffee deal. You're going to pick up 3 of the Dunkin' Donuts coffees of your choice. Then you're going to pick up a Colgate Charcoal Slim toothbrush, because we've got a $3 coupon that's attaching to it, making it 35 cents. And then you're going to pick up a Febreze Holiday Scent for $3.25. You got a $2 digital coupon. Now, if you don't have the Febreze, you can do the Glade. We have an urn on that, I do believe, so you can substitute. And you're at $26.10. Make sure you watch those totals, guys. And you've got $13 coming off. That leaves you an out-of-pocket of $13.10. And that's a winner-winner. It's like buying 2 of those pounds of coffee and getting another pound of coffee and Febreze and Colgate for free. Okay. Now, I was going to announce the winner of the Dollar General gift card in this video, but I'm enjoying the stories way too much, guys. So if you haven't got in on that Dollar General gift card giveaway, I'm giving you another chance. Okay, we're not going to announce the video, or excuse me, we're not going to announce the winner for one more video. So I'm going to give you 24 more hours to give me some more S&H Green Stamp stories. And if you're new and you don't know what I'm talking about, we're giving away a Dollar General gift card. It's in this video right here. Go back and watch this video, and it will give you the details. Make sure you leave an emoji or a comment. Love you bunches. I will see you soon with more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and always awesome information.